Hello, friends, and welcome to Hats Off to Reading Read Across America Day. It is Tuesday, March 2nd, 2021. It is 3/2/2021. And it is not only National Read Across America Day, today is also Dr. Seuss's birthday, and it's the 100th day of school. How are you celebrating today? Please stand to salute our flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please join me in reciting the Aborn School Pledge. I respect myself. I respect others. I respect my learning environment. I am ready to learn. Please be seated for the morning announcements. Friends, please let your grown-ups know that they should check the Schoology homepage every day for the latest news, information, updates, and events. And today, as I said, is Dr. Seuss's birthday, and I have a little video for you, but I want you to be aware this was filmed before COVID-19. So while we are unable to be together and celebrate with our friends, these kids were able to before the pandemic. So just keep that in mind. Here we go.
March 2nd is the birthday of the legendary Dr. Seuss. And every year, millions of children and adults across the country celebrate his birthday by reading.
We looked and we saw him. The Cat in the Hat.
One of the most beloved children's book authors of all time, Dr. Seuss revolutionized the way children learn to read with classics like The Cat in the Hat and Green Eggs and His books made learning to read fun for kids, and that legacy endures today. In honor of his extraordinary contributions to generations upon generations of readers, we say, hats off to reading! And of course,
So, I hope you enjoyed that little video. As I said, it's day 100, boys and girls. This has been a challenging year. And if it doesn't challenge you, we know it doesn't change you. We can do it. We have 70 days left. We hope that maybe we can bring some of you back in person. We are working on those plans. So please, guys, continue to work hard. Continue to give your best effort. Anything else is a waste of your time. Have a great day, everyone.